I got this creepy old grandfather clock here, which I thought was pretty cool, but I'll show you why it's creepy, because I got it, kind of got it for free, and you're about to see why. I don't even know if I should be touching this thing. Because what the fuck is that? Can you guys see this? Like, I don't know, is my camera messed up? The camera's messed up. Not sure why. That's weird. I have an iPhone, it's not a blurry camera. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe it's the lighting. Can you guys see that? With the sewed mouth. Yeah. That's creepy enough.